So everyone, now I will walk through my entire project workflow so that I can consume right things. So it's been 127 days I am working on this project and almost 80% I have completed, and now the remaining part is all about making sure UI become production ready and without bugs free code base. So I provide all the information to chat session, this chat session, and this chat session create this. So yesterday I was fixing this code runtime bootstrap. I think this one is correct, and this flow also is correct. I hope this is a validate projection layer. So if you look at, I document my entire code base into this Notion. Now, as you have my entire code base and flow, now tell me how my entire code base work from user intent to UI rendering and also the collaborative uh, state as well and AI runtime as well. So we have two input, a manual input from user and then prompt. So now can you explain in details how my entire code base connected each other and communicate each other and how they work so I can understand fundamentally the downstream and upstream both. Can you create uh, a headline of the previous answer so I can document the previous answer in Notion? Now I will convert this explanation to Google Notebook. Yes. Right now, this is my entire flow. So I'm just documenting so that I can truly understand, because of I'm refactoring frequently, and this is the last time I just recently refactored, and I will fix my UI. Hey everyone, how you doing, guys? So, is there anyone building AI application or any SaaS platform? Because right now I'm building AI tools where AI will work as a assistant. So this AI will reduce developer and business workflow and operation. So recently, if you look at my code base, I have huge code base. It's more than 60,000 lines of code and plus 900 files. So here I'm just showing you how I manage my code base and how I refactor, because it's very crucial when you have a large project and you are working on a loan. So you have to organize your workflow as well as your architecture, because you are not building any more toy, you are focusing launching your startup. So this should be scalable. As I said, you have to understand your architecture and you have to document. Why do you need to document? Because of you're alone and you don't know the right things. So you are evolving based on your understanding and based on a market signal, right? So that's why here I have a Notion documenting. I just document the things I'm building, the things I'm fixing, so that I can understand by myself, okay, this code works this way, and if I get any error, I can understand that should be in that code base, that file, or that flow, or that pipeline. All right, because nowadays people think AI replace developer, but I don't think this way. I think my mental model is very simple. AI reduce our dependency. So right now I can build a scalable project by alone, which means AI help me out not to depend on any co-founder or any team. I can build this production ready code scalable project within 4 months. Think about for a second. I have more than 900 plus files, 60,000 plus lines of code. It's very hard to manage. It's very hard to maintain and refactor. But AI can help me out. That's the things I always says to founder, a developer. AI can help you out too if you use right way. So I always emphasize you have to understand your code base, your architecture. Once you understand, you can provide the context to any AI tools. They can write code the way the way you want. So just you have to put your instruction on, and AI can understand. That's why I just document and I learn uh, by doing. So my learning process is by doing. So as a developer, your job is to understand, break your code, make your code, refactor your code. Hi, buddy. How you doing? So right now, I'm just building AI tools to automate business workflow and business operation, which can reduce developer and founder a job. So I have completed my. Okay, let's work together. I am like I always, yeah, I'm ready to work with anybody. So tell me about yourself. Like, are you a developer or are you pure engineer? Like, are you founder? What are you? What's your skill? Because through this chat session, I also connect people, and we can work. Because my ultimate goal is to create a real solution. So that's the developer job. So I love to work with you. Like, yeah. And yeah, first tell me, like, are you a developer or founder or like, what's your skill? And where are you from? Because if you look at this code base is very huge, more than 900 plus files and 60 plus 60,000 lines of code. And I just written this code is very scalable, decoupling, and I follow the architecture. So yeah, first I want to know like what you have as a skill, so I can delegate my task to you. Like if you're a developer, and so yeah, tell me. And that's why I document my entire code base. Right? If you look at, I use Notion, and it's a very huge, well documented. So anybody can understand what I'm building, how I'm building. Right? So that's why I'm asking. Like, if you guys want to work with me, you're a coder, okay? Okay. So like right now you are a student. Like, have you completed your like study or like what? Okay, so let me share my Instagram link so you can connect with me. I already have some connection. And maybe I can share my Discord channel. I'm not active on Discord, but I think I need to be active on it because a lot of people say this is my Instagram ID. So if anybody want to connect with me, or if you need, if you need of my help to organize your code base, or like yeah, to understand your code base, I can help you out. Because I spent more than 2 years in this room. If you look at my room, I just lock myself. And last 4 months, I'm just working on this project. So I end up this entire code base, and I refactor more than 10 times. So now I can scale any code base if you give me, and I can review actually it's gonna scale or not. So, anyways. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I think I have my Discord. Okay, let me. Okay, I think I have my Discord server. Okay, so I have. So right now, guys, I just share my link so you guys can join if you want to. So we can talk and we can help each other. So Discord double G. You guys can copy if you want, and SB AG Z Z Y G. So this is the Discord link. If anybody like to, so I also pin the Discord link, so you guys can join. So we can talk. This is a general like. I hope guys you are guys channel. I got you. I got you. Hey hi. So guys, this is our Discord channel. I just paste my because a lot of people ask me, hey, just share your Discord so we can connect to each other. Yeah. So I shared. Actually, I'm not. I, I don't use Discord, but now I think I should create. So one guy joined here in my Discord. Now you guys can share this channel to your friend zone or the developer community if somebody like to discuss the new technology like AI or agentic solution. So we have to make this community for active developer, so we can help each other and work together to solve the biggest problem we are. Because my ultimate goal is to work on a project, and so I didn't found any co-founder. So I thought, okay, let's create a interface for founder and developer. So we actually can solve a real problem. So AI can help me out. So I thought, okay, why not AI can help somebody else? So that's why I'm building AI SaaS tools. So one buddy is joined, and so okay, RDX. So RDX like RDX, you are in this chat or like are you in Discord right now active? Okay. So if anyone like to join my Discord, so I just paste out the link. Yeah, I just pinned my Discord channel. You guys can join. And if you have any query or question, maybe I cannot answer you, but someone can answer you. Okay. But if you are facing any your life regarding issue, maybe you are stuck in the life zone. So this community should be for us, so we can help out. Maybe technology regarding maybe whatever it is. So I want to make sure each and everybody can help each other because we are living very yeah. So I am in both. Okay. Okay. So hey, RDX, can you tell me about yourself? Like I can understand like who you are. Hey, hey, buddy. So, buddy, if you are first time in my chat session, guys, I want you to just join my Discord channel because recently I have created, but now I just paste that link to this community because if you have any technology related issue, I always active. 14 hours you can get me. No, I have complete my graduation, even I drop out from master degree, and last 2 years I just locked in this room and I understand every single day 14 hours coding part, and last 4 months I'm just working on my startup. And if you look at my code base, so this code base is more than 900 plus files and more than 60,000 lines of code. So I end up this entire code base. So here I'm just sharing how you can organize your code base, and this platform, it's a uh, AI. If you're building any AI platform or AI application or agentic solution, we can help you out regarding your architecture, maybe your understanding your tech stack or your approach or architecture. If you want to scale, so I can help out, and I'm always free to help you out and work together. If you guys any question about your tech stack or any kind of problem you are facing regarding technology, or yeah, you, you guys can chat right now here, or you can join my Discord channel. Maybe somebody can help you out. So I created so join this Discord channel if you guys want to. And in this channel I used to upload a YouTube tutorial, but last 2 months I didn't upload any video because I fully focus on this project, and now I end up with this. So right now I'm just refactoring. I have i refactor my code base, and now I'm just polishing my UI. So I feel like I will launch very soon my startup. Yeah, but I just doing a live stream because I want to share you how you can organize your code base and how you can scale your code base from day one. Because it takes 4 months for me, because I used to do with nothing and now I just end up with this architecture. So if you guys want to see my current stack, so this is my front end stack. So in front end, I'm using Next.js app router, then React, Zoostan for state management, and React query, Zod, SatCN UI library, React Flow for Canvas UI rendering, and DND kit. And I also use Node block, I think, Node block node, sorry, block node. So here DND kit for drag and drop library for my Kanban board, and live blocks for real time infrastructure where you can work with your team member and share your workflow, and block node for document rendering like a Notion. And this is the backend, like I'm using Next.js server action, and this is just TypeScript. It's a programming language, and MongoDB as a database. And I'm following this DDD approach. This is architecture in backend, domain driven design. And I have also the my, if you guys system. So yeah, so here as I said, I follow a domain driven design, and also to organize my entire code base I am following this hexagonal architecture. So where you can separate your code base. Right. So similarly, I did. So there is no coupling between the runtime with the UI. If you look at, this is my center of my code base. So here there is no concept backend versus front end, because in Next.js approach you don't have that concept. And like you kind of think like I'm using a microservices inside one server. So I didn't create my micro server, right? So inside one server I create all my code base. Okay. And as I said, my platform is real time collaborative. That's why you have two approach: runtime centric and any traditional. But I follow runtime centric approach, because here runtime is the source of your things. Runtime is your reality. So this is execute your code, and other part of the things they consume or they represent. That's we call I'm following runtime centric approach. Anyways, so yeah, because if you work with any big company or MNC or startup, you have to separate your code base. In on YouTube, nobody can share this type of code base. Even I used to upload, I share my code base. I have about 10 projects like YouTube clone, Amazon clone, Flipkart clone, or LinkedIn clone, Instagram clone, all the code I share. But that code, not like this. There is a thousand time gaps. This code fully scalable and manageable, readable, and optimization. Like yeah, here you follow optimization. So you can work with your team member. Let's say you share some part of code, they can apply unit tests independently. So that's I call this is it's called separation of concern. So this is a pipeline I'm following. If you look at CQRS style separation, which means comment, query, read, segregation. So this is a pipeline. When you are work with any big project, so you have to follow this type of pipeline so that you can separate your code base and you can understand how your code works. And yeah, and also I have plugin and registry architecture, and this will help you out when you are building a canvas and SaaS platform. Okay, anyways. Hey guys, like if you are new to my live stream, if you like to join my Discord, this is the link I paste in my pin. I just pinned out my channel link, so you guys can join. Here you can help. Here you can get help from our members, and I can always one. I can always active almost 14 hours a day. So yeah.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name? Like RDX. I'm audible to you. Hello.
Hello, Azul, can we talk? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible.
Yeah, are you getting?
Yes, I'm getting your
Yeah,
voice.
I'm fully audible now.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you are.
So hey, what's your name? Full name? Like, can you tell me?
So from the past 3 days, I'm watching your content. I found very interesting. That's why I was keen to know what.
Hey, I think your voice is breaking, man. Hello. Hello. The hell?
Hello, bro. Hello.
Hello. RDX.
Yeah, bro. I'm getting your voice very clearly. Why you are not listening the same?
I don't know. Maybe my yeah. Like sometimes your voice is like break.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Okay, so like I'm asking you like what's your name? Like full name? Like again. Are you talking? RDX. What the hell? You're
It's
calling.
it's Rudraksh.
Okay, Rudraksh. So Rudraksh, where are you from?
Okay, okay, now I got why I was not hearing your voice the same. Oh, I was watching a stream and I was hearing your Discord voice too. Okay, okay.
Okay,
Now
so
it's clear, now it's clear.
yeah, I'm also doing both simultaneously. Like yeah, because I
Yeah,
also
that's why I was confused. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so okay. So right now I am talking to you in Discord as well.
Yeah, and I'm just listening your voice in Discord. Yeah, I mute your stream. Yeah,
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Now I think you are fully audible. So I'm asking you, like you said, your name is what?
yeah. My name is Rudraksh.
Okay, Rudrak. So where are you from?
I'm from Rajasthan, bro.
Rajasthan. Okay. And right now,
Mhm.
like, are you pursuing your study or like you complete or what?
I just passed out 12, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
just you passed out your 12. Okay, that's cool. And so like,
Yeah,
which is
I'm about to take AIDS as my branch for the further studies. But yeah, I was very keen to know what exactly are you building, bro?
yeah. So right now, I'm just building. First of all, okay. So my name is Injajul. Okay, I'm from West Bengal. And before this startup, me and my friend, we create a community. We are creating a community for a founder and developer. Okay, so that
I
uh,
got it.
okay, so that startup didn't work. We shut down because of funding, but we catch up almost 30,000 user base. Okay, still we just shut down because of fund. Then but that time I don't know about coding anymore because I complete my graduation in economics and then I drop out my master degree Then I start coding journey last 2 years. So in this room, I just lock myself, and every single day I just work 14 to 15 hours, and I covered almost
Okay.
all the technology. Like I know very well the four language, programming language: Java, C++, Python, and JavaScript, and also framework React, Next.js. And for DevOps, I know Docker, and for I know a little bit machine learning and deep learning, but I know AI engineering. So right now I'm building AI tools. The tools is automate business workflow and developer workflow, which means if you look at now, I'm just doing manually.
Like you made a web app called Mern Delivery.
No, no, yeah. So that type of like I upload more than 10 projects in my YouTube. Okay, so
Okay.
that's what the my skill. So I just share. Okay, I can build any project. Okay, but this project is just I call it VisionVersity.
University. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
So this is just AI tools. So like it can automate business workflow, which means let's say you want to research about your product or marketing. So you can ask AI. AI can create entire your business plan, your meeting plan, all this stuff. So I have two interface. One is Canvas regarding like where you can um, like break down your visual things like mind map, flowchart, or diagram, or Kanban board like that. And on the other side, it's like documenting. As I said, you have to like if you want to create your marketing strategy, maybe yeah. So this is called business operation or business management. So
Got it, bro.
I'm just
But why do you work on the YouTube, bro? Like I don't think so. YouTube is giving you the same as you are giving the output.
no, yeah. So like last 10 days,
Yeah.
I just thought to share my
Yeah, like there are so many unuseful people in this platform and making content, and they go viral. They got brands, but you are doing so much hard work, and you are not gaining the appropriate audience. Why so, bro?
yeah, yeah, actually if you look at this, I just refactor this channel a lot. So I started this channel not a coding part like economics things, as I said. Then again I just refactor,
Okay.
and then so I gain 7,000 viewers from my economics student, like. And then I switch in technology, like, and where I want to create a motivational video last 1 years I create only motivational video. Okay, then I switch from motivational to like business regarding things, because as I said, I just creating like my startup. So regarding that, I was uploading, and then when I switch the technology, I have understanding technology. Then I switch technology. So right now, I just upload 10 projects. Then I stop. Again, I start.
But why are doing these work on YouTube Live? You can do the same work without putting your stuff on YouTube Live now.
So right now, if you look at YouTube Live, is very like I don't need to like edit like yeah. So I work, I share. That's it.
Okay, okay, that's why. Okay, that's
Right.
why.
So if you look at, I'm not editing anymore. Like all the things in live.
Save your editing time. It saves your editing time. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Because
Okay.
I used to upload tutorial. So it took 2 to 3 hours and about researching, editing, all the stuff. So as I said, last 2.5 months I just didn't upload any video because I focusing this architecture, because it like I don't know you believe or not, this code base is very scalable. If you don't know system design, or if you don't have understanding about architectural, you can understand this code base, right? So that's why I spend a lot of time researching about understanding, again refactoring, again understanding the. So I almost refactor 10 times this project, and then I end up with this.
And what? Your inspiration? What's your inspiration? Okay, if you can give me, yeah, I want to make an app like that, like OpenAI, like Chat GPT. Is it your inspiration, or
No, man. No, no,
your
no, no, no.
inspiration is somewhat else?
No, my inspiration it's not like that, man. Like as I said, when I joined from my before 12, okay. So first time I introduced like I understand Elon Musk. So I think it's been 6 or 7 years.
Okay.
I like I curious about startup because startup create a lot of job, reshaping the market industry. So my ultimate goal to become entrepreneur. So that's why I took
Okay, entrepreneur.
I choose economics. So I have a 7 year
Okay.
plan. So my plan was very simple. Okay, I understand fully economics, and then after completing my graduation, I will found founders, and then I did same way. So I started my startup with my friend, but I didn't get funding. Okay, so
Oh, you did.
then I
Okay, you
realized
pitched. You pitched it to an investor. Oh, you pitched to a real investor. Okay, who was that? Who was that?
so like in my Calcutta, okay, in my area, I talk to face almost 7 investors, and in one line, I apply more.
Okay.
I apply more than 200 investor, but I only got response 10. So they said like you are not a developer, so how you could manage your code base or your SaaS platform. Then I thought, okay, I
Okay.
have to
Okay.
become developer. Then I drop out from my master degree, and then I log in this room. You can see last 2 years, guys. I forgot about my
Oh,
entire my friend zone or social life. So last
okay. Okay.
2 years, almost every single day, 14 hours, I just work and understand code base, researching, and then yeah.
And what was your family reaction? What was your family reaction on that?
So like I am from village. Okay, so in my entire family, they are not educated at all. So they don't know any technology education. So I'm the first guy who go to school. So you can imagine then what would be the
Oh,
reaction.
okay. Okay.
So my
Are you
inspiration.
earning from this? And are you earning from this or not?
No, I think my earning source was from YouTube. Okay, so as I told you, I used to upload motivational content. So I almost earn more than 40,000 rupee. Okay, then I stopped because of I got copyright claim.
Okay,
So last 4 months, I don't earn any money.
okay. So how are you dealing?
Sorry, what?
How are you dealing with your expenses?
No,
Like
I
you are using some AI models, na, and AI models require some subscription, na.
no, I'm using like I got free subscription. So like 1 year, I got free subscription from OpenAI. Okay, so yeah,
Okay.
and I use mostly Chinese models, so they are open source and free of cost.
Okay, that's why. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Okay, bro. That's it for the intro, bro. Yeah. Let's work together now, bro. I also want to be a part of your journey, bro. Yeah.
yes, yeah. So like yeah, so
How can I help you, bro? How can I help you, bro?
no,
Like I can wipe code fully. I can write some C++ code as well. Currently I'm in the currently I'm in my learning phase. I wouldn't say like, yeah, I'm a developer, I'm a coder, but yeah, I can help you with whatever thing you want me to. If I'm not excel at that, I would learn that ASAP, as soon as possible. Yeah,
yes, I also believe as I
just
said.
tell me my work, bro. just
Okay,
just tell me my work.
as I said, like, I learn everything by doing. Okay, so I face problem, I work on it, then I
Yeah,
iterate, refactor.
yeah,
So yeah, if you have
yeah,
that
good point.
mentality, you will get all the things as you
Yeah,
go.
I
Yeah.
have, I have, bro.
So yeah, as you said, like you are doing hype coding. So I think I'm not gonna give my entire code base because you cannot understand. So like we have to understand our like marketing strategy. So like are you good at
Yeah,
like marketing or social media type stuff?
I would be good at marketing stuff, but yeah,
No,
I
no, no,
can
no, no,
edit
no, 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 no,
social
no.
media
Okay,
things, but yeah, I'm not.
No, no,
get interested.
yeah,
Like,
yes,
yeah,
yeah.
what you want me to do in social media?
No, no, no,
Yeah, what you want me to do in
no, no.
social
My
media?
question is
You
like,
want me to edit your clips?
no, 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 no.
You
Okay,
want me to
my
edit your
question is
clips
like,
or what?
I'm asking like, are you good at, or like, are you interested? So this is my question, not is my like instruction. So like, I'm asking like, if you good at social media, that would be fine. If you're not, that's totally fine because I know that part too. But right
Oh,
now,
I'm good at social media.
no, not good at like, are you using frequently social media? So if you are using frequently, so you can know definitely how to use like how to influence people, how to connect people, so that definitely you will know. So right now I'm just fully I think within one, I think in this month definitely I will launch this project because as I said I have
You would deploy. You would deploy this month.
I already deploy. Okay, I already deploy and
Okay, you already deploy. Okay, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Let me search, bro. Is it Mern?
sorry what?
Mern.com?
No, no, no. So right
Mern,
now,
Mern.
no. VisionVersity, VISIO dot in. Okay.
VisionVersity. Okay.
But
Okay, you got the domain as well. VisionVersity.com.
no dot in. I already bought this domain from my first startup. Okay, so the name is I didn't change
Okay.
the name.
Can you write the VisionVersity.com name at the Discord chat? The
Uh,
Discord chat.
I think you right now you couldn't found because I just but this is my domain. Okay. Vision. Right now I think you cannot get it, but VisionVersity dot
Okay.
in. This is the domain. I already bought this domain. Okay, so I have this domain.
Okay, you bought this domain, but you haven't deployed
No,
yet,
no,
no?
I have deployed, but I just stopped that things. Like I can show you. Okay,
Okay.
so this is my Next.js
Okay.
version project. Okay, let me show you.
So you are doing updation, no? You are updating your application or website.
Yes. Right now I'm refactoring fully.
You are refactoring. Okay. Got it. Even I also made some websites and apps, but I also haven't deployed it yet because I don't know how to deploy that
Okay.
application. Yeah, I can make a good stuff like a good website or good apps, but I don't know how to deploy. By the way, how much it takes to deploy an app or website
No,
in money?
right now in
I'm asking
Vercel.
in money.
Okay.
Yeah, like
In Vercel, it's
50,
totally free.
like 500 rupees, like
No,
1000
no.
rupees.
Hey. Rudraks. In Vercel, it's totally free of
Yeah.
cost.
In
In Vercel, it's totally free of cost until you get a large user traffic. Hello,
yeah, I'm listening, bro.
hello.
Hello,
Y-
hello.
yes. So I'm saying if your project is fully Next.js, so you can deploy in Vercel. So Vercel provide a free tier until you get a larger user traffic. Then you have to
Okay,
purchase.
Versal is your app. Versal is your app, no?
No. Vercel is it's a American based. You can deploy it. So
What?
if you,
Bro, can you write that Versal thing in the YouTube chat or Discord chat,
okay, so
bro?
like if you're live, I show you this Harsera. Now you can see
Yeah,
the.
yeah, I'm live, bro. I'm live. I've just unmute. Yeah, it's cause there was coming an echo of your voice in
Okay.
YouTube and your voice in Discord. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
I just unmute. I'm live, bro. I'm live.
okay, now you can see my Harsel interface. Okay, let me.
Wait.
This is my project I'm sharing. Now what? Okay, Harsel. Hey, Rudrax. Hello, Rudrax. Hey, bro, just get back to Discord. Just get back to Discord. Rudrax, your voice is not audible. So why you left? Okay. No, no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, reconnect. Okay, now I'm active.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so this is a Bharsel. Okay, this is a platform name, Bharsel.
VisionVersity.in.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is the platform name Bharsel. Okay, so if your platform is fully Next.js, so you can
Okay.
deploy entire Next.js because Next.js is fully a full stack. Okay, but let's say you write your code front end. Uh, okay, so using one stack, so you can deploy
Okay.
your front end in Vercel, but you have to deploy your backend
Okay.
in maybe render, maybe because I also
Okay.
have a render. Okay, so if you look at I also have render.
Okay.
So render charge. Okay, so but you can deploy as a
That's
toy,
not
sorry, as a free of cost, but it can slip your URL. But if you
got it, bro.
pay $5, then you can get fully without slipping your URL. But if your fully project is Vercel, then you can get uh, 1 million requests every month free of cost. So
Okay.
1 million request is very huge. You need almost 2 to 5,000 user traffic. They can use frequently. Then you will be
Mm,
charged $10 or $20.
mm, mm, mm.
So that's why I choose Next.js. So at least I can deploy free of cost. That's why if you look at, I deploy a lot of projects. You can see all my project like, and this is my VisionVersity. It's my this project. I already deploy.
Is there any project that I can see?
And
Like a
what?
VisionVersity, I can't see now. You have stopped the deploying process.
No, no. Say again. Say again. What did
Are
you
there
say?
any project? Are there any project that I can see?
Yes. So yeah, you can see like what do you want to see? Like a code base or any UI.
UI user
Okay. So
interface.
okay. Okay. So I do have VisionVersity UI. Okay, not fully. Okay. Let me run my uh, VisionVersity. Okay. So I already deployed it, and it's also, but not production ready. But I complete 60% of my UI or 70%. Just let me a few seconds. I just run my code base. Okay. Here you go.
Okay. Okay, next is okay.
Say what?
Following. Why it is showing local host?
I'm running in localhost. That's all.
Hello, hello, hello.
Right now I'm running in localhost because you said you want to see the UI. That's all. But if you want to show the deploy version, so I have to merge my coding part because here I didn't merge. So right now I have three branch in my GitHub. So I have to then merge my running part versus develop and then main. So main branch is still not updated, but my local machine is updated. So that's why I can run in local machine.
Bro, your voice is buffering.
Right now it's okay.
Voice still.
Right now I am audible to you. Hey man, I'm audible to you. It takes time, maybe due to internet.
Hello, bro. I'm not getting your voice clearly, bro. Yeah, I see the. I saw the UI.
Okay, so
Uh,
right now my voice is audible.
can you fix your mic, bro? Bro, I'm not getting your voice clearly.
Right now
Hello.
I'm not saying anything. Right now I'm not saying anything. Now I'm saying. So I'm audible. Hello. Man, it takes so much time to just load my code base. I think internet speed is lagging because my live stream is okay. Bro, I'm not getting your voice. Okay, I understand. So in chat session, like I'm audible to you. I think I got some. Okay. Hey, Rudrax.
Yeah.
Hello.
No, bro. I'm not getting your voice clearly. Why is that so?
So right now my
Yeah, I've
voice is.
sent you my number. Now, can you call on that number, bro? Can you call on that number, bro?
Right now I'm audible.
You're not, bro. You're not. I can hear your voice, but not clearly, bro.
So like my voice is
I don't know
buffering
what's
or
the problem with Discord.
so
I
like
don't know what's the problem with Discord.
so
Your
one.
voice is buffering, bro. Your voice is
Okay,
buffering.
okay. So one YouTube my voice is clear.
I've unmute your YouTube stuff now. Wait.
So like you have to mute first YouTube so you can get. Have you mute YouTube? Okay. Anyways, just see.
Yeah,
Okay. So,
but is there any problem with you to call me on my number, bro? If there is problem, then I can understand.
uh, no, I think I cannot share all the things at once. Like if I call you in WhatsApp, so then I cannot live stream and then yeah, just see my UI. Okay.
Okay, if you have any problem with sharing your number, then okay, I can understand, bro. I can understand, bro. If you have any problem sharing your number, but yeah, I don't have any problem. You can call me whenever you want because I was really interested to see your work. Like I was watching your work for the past 3 days. I found it very interesting. That's why I was keen to know what exactly are you building.
Okay, I got you.
So yeah, okay, bro. No problem, no problem.
Let me show you. Just you said you want to see my UI. I think my internet speed is not good, so I think it takes time. I don't know why. Okay, I have to fix my setting. This is the issue of Next.js and Clark. I have to clear. Okay, here you go. Are you there?
By the way, what's your full name?
Injajul.
What?
Injajul. My channel name is my name. Injajul.
Injajul. Literally,
Yes.
bro.
Sorry, what?
Injaju.
Yes, Injajul.
Okay. I told your name would be Azul, and for the sake of looking good on YouTube, that's why you have put Injajul.
No, no, my name is Injajul, and everywhere you can see Injajul. Like, yeah, the channel name and my name is same. Like, my Instagram ID, my LinkedIn, everywhere, same things you got.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so this.
Injajul. Okay, got it.
Okay, first I got error. I know I got error because I have to. So first of
And
all,
and by the way, bro, what type of content do you watch on YouTube? Like I am so much interested in watching some
okay, okay. So
startup
let
founder biographies.
okay,
Like
so
for the past 3 days, I just have watched the WhatsApp documentary, YouTube documentary, Snapchat documentary, Instagram documentary. Yeah.
if you look at my history, okay, so I usually follow all the American
What are
people.
you watching these days?
Okay, no, I think if you look at my YouTube, okay, just go to my live session so I can show you my history. Okay,
Hello.
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 Now, okay. So I'm saying I'm watching all the American people. Like nowadays, I'm just watching tutorial.
Okay.
Mostly, I'm watching tutorial about
Oh, bro. Hello. By the
yeah,
way, the cursor app is so good for coding. You know, no?
yes. So yeah, I also have cursor. You can see, but cursor is not free of cost.
Okay, cursor is not free of cost. Okay.
I think agentic code agentic editor they don't provide free of cost. Yeah, they provide some of it. Okay, but I use free of things, but I like Codex give you 1 million token. Okay, also Cursor give you 2 million token when you start your first account, and then every month only Codex give you token and VS Code. But 1 million token you can finish if you run your AI agent in this long project. One message, your token will finish. So you are asking these days what I'm watching. So okay, so these are just I'm watching nowadays about AI engineering, which means I follow this AI engineer this one. So mostly I watch nowadays.
Okay.
But my entire last 6 years, I fully consume American stuff. All the learning I get from American people. So they provide
Okay.
all the things free of cost with uh, like animation video. Okay, and like Harvard Business School,
Good. Good.
London Business School. I also follow
Good.
and the MIT. Yeah, so I follow this university as well as individual. So they provide all the things free of cost, very organized way.
Yeah, in very organized way. Yeah, you're right, bro. I'm also watching CS50 Harvard AI and ML course of 12 hours. I'm giving 1 hour each day.
Yeah. So that's why if you look at my notion, I learn this way. Okay. So last because I didn't work this way. Okay. So I learned from lot of professionals. So they said you have to organize your work. Then I thought, okay, I should do it. Then I start this way. So if you look at
Why your voice is lagging so much? Voice is lagging so much.
due to internet or maybe okay.
No,
Anyways.
not due to internet. I think so. There is problem in the Discord.
Okay. So maybe there is issue
Okay,
inside.
bro. We can do one thing. Can I call you on Instagram, bro? You receive that call?
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello.
You're not really audible, na? No, the computer in Discord. So, not on your internet connection.
Okay. So maybe there is issue inside
Yeah.
Discord. So hey.
What were you telling me? You are watching Harvard stuff only.
Hey. So first of all, mute from your Discord.
Okay, wait.
Yes, you are. No, these days I'm watching this channel like called AI Engineer. Fully, I'm just watching all the their workshop. So lot of engineer and they share how they organize their AI mental model AI. Yeah. So these days every single day I at least I watch one video, and also nowadays I start watching like AI engineering. Okay. 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 What? Okay. So what like hello? Yeah. So what are you asking? Okay. 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 No, actually, right now, I don't know you. Do you have understanding about like I think this type of technology and service. Yeah, if you have the mental model and your business strategy, because you need like you have to create fast app. So it's very easy. We can build. Okay, but you need supply chain. No, 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 no. No, no, but you need supply chain. Like you have to contact with all the like driver, and then you have to take a license from government. You have to take a permission of it. Then yeah, that's the fundamental. Like you have to, you need yes, you need some connection. Yeah, you need some huge connection like who already know these things. But to build AI application, you don't need those type of things because my friend also suggests me let's build like a app like where you can automate entire doctor fundamental things. You don't have to get a so. But I said you need approval. You need approval of government or like that. You need a license. So that's you need approval. But to build AI application, you don't need that. You just technology, and then you have to just do marketing. That's it. So you have to understand first, like resource, what resource you want, because idea is very simple, and you can also execute that idea, but you cannot scale, and you need a huge funding, particularly this type of riding stuff, and also like if you're building a food delivery stuff, still you need supply chain. So yeah, so like then you have to understand the business. Yeah, yeah. So we need then connection. Yeah, then we need connection. I told you that like I already like 2 years ago I just go door to door investor and investor. Okay, so like I understand. Okay, nobody can help me out, so I have to become my own founders and own mentor. Then I learn all the technology I need. So I become the full stack developer, DevOps, and then now there's engineering. I become a YouTuber, so I can do marketing. I understand the psychology, so I can understand because I already asked lead from LinkedIn, YouTube, or Facebook, everywhere. Nobody responds. Then I become founder. I become a developer because my plan was very simple. I can handle the entire business part, and I can found a technology founder, so we can build. And yeah, but I couldn't found and even investors. So I thought, okay, I can launch a SaaS platform because SaaS platform you can start earning from day one if you actually build something. That's why I already create entire plan. Like if I launch, then I can charge some money. Maybe it would be a free and premium model. So I already planned. Yeah, freemium. Yes, like yeah, you can use basic tools for free, but if you want to enhance your like, but for my case, like if you want to use AI tools, then you have to pay for it, or I can give you a one a board for free, and then if you want next board, or if you want to work with your team, then you have to purchase $20 or $30 ticket or like in subscription. So I have this type of plan. Okay, I think you couldn't understand. I said, okay, so SaaS platform. Okay, so okay, let me teach my stuff. So yes, so like yes, 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 yes. So okay, so let me pitch my startup. Okay, so so VisionVersity it allows developer and founder interface where they can automate their workflow. When I say business workflow, so like if you after launching your company, you have to manage your uh, marketing strategy. You have to research about your product direction, your to-do list or your workflow. Okay, so this is called business operation. And on the other hand, as a developer, our workflow is to understand our code base, to like to track our debugging UI. So if you look at the professional, follow this way, the way I follow. So that's why we have a linear, Notion, Miro, Coda, okay, and a lot of platforms exist, and they solve a particular problem. So my market is both founders as well as developers. But my ultimate goal in the future, one human can run entire company. So if you look at right now, American company they delegate their tasks. Sorry, American company they automate coding part. Nowadays you are calling hype coding, but after launching your platform, you have to manage your tasks because you are alone. But my assumption is, let's say if we are running one people running entire company, then you have to delegate your tasks to agent. So right now I'm not building agent, I'm just building AI as assistant. But I will definitely add after launching agentic flow. So after launching this version, my next version would be implementing agentic flow. So I want to automate entire workflow of fully autonomous. Just you have to give a prompt, AI can handle that. So yeah, you don't need to work anymore. So just you can run your entire company and you can focus the real problem. No, yeah, like right now. Okay, let's understand the context. Okay, let's say you are 2 days we are hiring team member. Why? Because we are delegating our tasks. As you said, let's say we are developers. We cannot handle a legal staff or marketing staff or networking. So we can hire somebody who are good at that. Okay. Similarly, in future, nowadays we don't need to go any company to learn anything. So we can learn at like sitting at home by using AI. Similarly, we can run any company. So nowadays, AI reduce our dependency. Dependency in what? About intelligence. So we hire a team because of we want to delegate our tasks. So nowadays agents are very good at calling tools, which means they can take action. For example, they can organize your code base, maybe they can write your code, they can launch your code, they can do marketing for you. Like AI can do a lot of things. But nowadays uh, the company they're not good enough to create the infrastructure, but we are just building an application on top of that. When they build the entire infrastructure, so we can use their resource and then we can serve end consumer, because they are not focusing in end consumer, they're focusing infrastructure. If you look at American SaaS company, they're focusing infrastructure, but we are just focusing application, and application means we are serving the end solution to end customer. So you have to understand this context, and then you have to figure out your solution. So I've already researched a lot. How can I take steps? So I just fix like one solution at a time, and then move on next to it. Like yeah, and I believe I don't believe my first launch would be the last launch. I believe I launch ugly and then I get a feedback, work on it, again refactor, get a feedback, work on it. Then you can actually figure out the actual business model or actual like lot of as I said, future will be fully autonomous. You believe or not, because so yeah, so right now I think you don't research about American company or not. Because as I said, I watched that AI engineer YouTube channel. Okay, so that channel was the platform they focusing on building this agent. It can autonomous health, it can autonomous sport, it can like regarding all the knowledge based things. So that's I'm saying yeah, I have to build SaaS platform, software as a service. So yeah, but right now in this journey I'm alone, so that's why it takes a lot of time. I thought I could build within 2 months, but then I realized building software like enterprise level, you need more than 6 months. But using AI, I thought within 5 months at least I can launch the basic use case. Then I can feedback on it and then figure out other part. Yeah, I hope. The question is actually if you want to solve the real problem, okay, if your goal is to just solve real problem, no matter what type of application we are working, okay, if your problem is solving a real problem, then you can work with anybody. So this is my mental model, okay. So my goal is very simple because I'm living a developing nation called India. Okay, so if you look at the entire nation, entire world, only few nations like America or developed nation they're consuming the living like high standard of living. But as a developer, our job to create a lot of opportunity to somebody, right? So that's why, as my expertise, my understanding, so as I said, I have economics knowledge as well as nowadays technology knowledge. So I can build a SaaS platform as well as I can scale. Because I know economic system, how economics work, and also I know marketing. So at least we can launch our project, okay, and then we can work on it. And as we go, we can figure out the market strategy, right? So if you believe, okay, let's work with something basic idea and give focus one user, first one user, then 10 user, then 100, then yeah. So my plan for one user, okay, let's give these tools so they can use that tools. If they think well, that's good, we can focus for 10 user mental model, then 100, then 1000, then maybe million. So you said you do hype coding, okay. So and do you know like UI stuff, like because here hype coding cannot help you out, like if you do hype coding then you need a agentic model. So I don't know what tasks I should give you because right now, if I launch my project, then a lot of tasks will be there. You can monitor the user track or maybe something else. But right now, I didn't launch my platform, so the most of the tasks would be around coding or designing. So I don't know what about tasks you can do. So you tell me what. No, Vibe, no. As I said, guys, look at my code base. Vibe coding, how you can run Vibe coding. Because, yeah, if you know this entire code base, you have to read my document. Then actually you can understand what type of. Yeah, so, yeah. Otherwise, yeah. No, no, no. Okay, so that's the okay, programming language. As I said, to understand any code base, you have to understand architecture or system design so that you can. So I think if you know me, okay, before asking AI, I first research about the architecture. Even recently, I also learned. If you look at my learning, okay, so layer one, layer two, and then actually understand the mental model and code flow. Then after understanding, I can ask, okay, you have to create this logic or this mental model, and then AI can create. Because AI is not reliable and deterministic as a default. Because AI is it's a large language model, but agent are like because agent has memory, but AI chat hasn't. So you have to provide context. Context means what you are building and what your architecture like that. So here, hype coding doesn't help you out fully. You have to provide the instruction. But if you have an agent, then agent can figure out. But agent is very expensive because, as I said, it takes a lot of token. So yeah, like you can learn. Okay, when I need, I think after launching my platform, then you can help me out a lot. Like so, right now, how old are you? Yes. Sorry, what? Okay, 17. Just look at you, man. You're 17, you have that type of mentality, and yeah, so you have a lot of time. No, no, I'm not saying. I'm saying like you have that mentality at 17, so like you have a lot of time to learn. Yes, yes. I got you. I got you. But okay, so like to build a like startup, you need a resilience, you need sacrifice. Like you have to sacrifice your entire social life, my friend, because it's not because we are in the competition zone. Because I believe I'm just competing with American company, not Indian company. So you have to put what you have, like your time, your energy, your resource into that. Because this is a choice, it's not decision. Because you just make a decision, okay, I'm locked in. Because every single day when I see American people just launch, they just automate something. So like they create scareness in our coding part because they automate every single day something. So that's why I feel like I have to work 14 more than 14 hours. So yeah, man, you have to just lock in, and as I said, you can learn. Okay, whatever you want, you can learn. Okay, but right now, okay, okay, okay. So okay, Rudraks. Okay, Rudraks, tell me something. Okay, we need two things. First is knowledge. Second is skill. It's a huge difference. Okay, we do need knowledge. Why? To organize our stuff. Okay, just listen to this mental model. It can help you out a lot. So we do need knowledge to organize our stuff, to figure out the right solution. Okay. We need a skill to build out something, which means, and in our nation, because this is a developing nation, knowledge doesn't matter because we need some product. And then to organize this product, we scale that product, or to optimize that product, we need knowledge. That's if you look at who are pursuing arts or unskilled course, they are not getting job. Why? Because we don't have much more product in our economics. So that's why the developer, the scientist, the AI, like data analyst, AI. So they are just hired because of they have a skill. So so like if you want to build something, you need both knowledge versus skill. But you have to focus more on skill than knowledge, because knowledge, when like as I said, when you launch your product, then you do need knowledge. Okay, I have to scale. They are having this strategy. I have to follow this strategy. But first, focus building. So you need skill, because skill means you have to build something out and then launch it. So you have to focus fully, and skill means doing. You have to do a lot. The more you do, the more understanding you get. The more understanding you get, the automatically, automatically the knowledge you will get. So yeah, if you follow the course, you don't know what to learn. But if you face problem, then you understand. Okay, this is the issue. I have to learn things. So if you look at my journey, I don't follow any course. Okay, so let's say I start my own startup. Then I face, okay, I have to understand statistics. I follow the entire American. Like I follow a lot of coding. Okay, so there every single day I watch 10 hours tutorial every single day last 2 years. And yeah, I complete, as I said, I complete more than Like I follow YouTube channel, like not only one YouTube channel. Based on topic I follow, I found good American people, or maybe from Germany, and yeah, for like database or SQL, no SQL, any C++ or Python framework, and I practice with real coding. So I follow the one guy, Next.js particular, code with Antonio, and code consistency. These two channel I follow for particular for coding. So hands on. So yeah, they create a coding. I watched just only tutorial, and then I grab their code part, and then I run in my. Then I practice like this. Last 2 years, you can imagine every single day, 14 hours. It's a huge. Yeah. No C plus. Okay. 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 Let me say. If you want to if you want to learn DSA. Okay. So DSA code is written by mostly Java and C plus plus. Right. So you need then C plus like any skill, because C plus is a language. But if you understand one language, like it's called WOOF, right? Like object oriented programming, you can learn any concept. Like yeah, maybe C plus plus, Java, Python, any programming language, because just syntax like difference, but concept is same. So I learn very well JavaScript. Then I learn all the things. Yeah, so JavaScript is not object-oriented programming, but C++, Java, Python, they are. Okay. And yeah, you can use same context into different language, but you have to understand one language very carefully. And yeah, so but if you want to build application, you have to focus JavaScript, because you can build mostly front end with the JavaScript, and back end, yeah, JavaScript is a full stack, but C++ it's not full stack. C++ only you can apply the DSA concept. No, DSA means like if you want to, okay, so there is a part. If you are working product based company, they want you to organize their code base, which means they focus on DSA. But if you want to work service based, you need a programming skill, like software development, because product based means they service means they launch their part to somebody else, so they are creating their website, they're selling their website, or yeah, technology solution. So you should have understanding a different language, maybe a front end, like that. But if you want to become nowadays founders, you should have at least JavaScript, so you can build a full stack project. So it's your choice. Like yeah, so that's why I'm like I started with my JavaScript. Okay, now I'm so damn good at, and now I know also Python and Java, but I didn't create any project with Java and C++, even Python. But I know Python for AI, and I apply my all the DSA concept. I retain all my concept in C++ and Python. Yeah. So yeah, actually I figure out this mental model when I face issue. Okay. So as I said, I don't follow any course. I follow a problem. Okay. I face these things, and even I learn Docker. I think if you don't know or not. So yeah, let's if you want to scale your technology, you have to understand Docker. A Docker is a container. So like because Netflix, Docker is a DevOps. Okay, so right now, okay, okay, okay. So I'm saying right now, don't focus Docker or Kubernetes. These are concepts from DevOps. Right now, don't focus it, because it cannot understand. Docker, sorry, Docker. Yes, Docker, Kubernetes. So these are concept DevOps. So Docker means you just like you just Docker, like you can run your entire code base in any device. It agnostic of technology. It doesn't matter you are using Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. It doesn't matter, and it can serve a same user experience to all the developers. And you can optimize your entire. If you look at Netflix, Amazon Prime, they are using Docker because yeah, you can scale. So right now, sorry, what for what for in yeah yes yes no okay so like for in general I use ChatGPT a lot because ChatGPT gives a very like the way I want, but Perplexity and Gemini, Perplexity, Gemini, I don't use it because Perplexity is like they under the hood they also use like this model like OpenAI, Anthropic, or maybe okay. And Gemini, I don't know, I didn't use because it couldn't answer me the way I want. And Anthropic is so good. No, Gemini, it's a full stack. Like you can. And Anthropic, the most. I love Anthropic, but Anthropic is not free of cost, so I couldn't use it. But Anthropic is very good for a developer. Yes, Anthropic, Cloud Code is the best, and it's so damn like in every aspect like coding, uh, creating document. It's so good, but it's not free of cost at all. So that's why I use ChatGPT, and even I have Go subscription for 1 year free of cost. ChatGPT suggests me just use your credit card and sorry your debit card and get 1 year subscription. Then I just get it. Yeah. So that's why I have the yeah. So I can chat unlimited in yeah. No, okay, okay. Hey, hey. No, okay. So my question is, I don't want to waste your time. Like, if you think you can learn from my like, because I'm sharing my live stream to just share. No, no. No, no, no. I'm saying, like, I'm sharing my live stream just to share my code base, like architecture or design, so that so from day one they can scale their code base. Because as I said, I just refactor 10 times because nobody guide me, and in YouTube, trust me, nobody can share their entire code base like this because so that's why I'm just sharing this code base. So from day one you can scale because I thought, like, to be honest, it took 4 months. I could have built this maybe within 2 months if I know this architecture or this mental model from day one. I can start this way. But it's okay. I spend time. I learn. That's totally fine. So that's why I'm sharing. But I'm saying you okay. If you get some help, then you can watch my live stream. But otherwise, I encourage you to spend more time on if your ultimate goal to become a AI engineer. So you spend more time on like statistics. So you need advanced statistics and a basic algebra, and also you need like I think I forget all the 11, 12 maths, basic maths, differentiate, integration, like that. And then you have to learn Python. It's a lot. Like if I yeah, so okay, okay, so like like integration and differentiator help you out to apply the real life. So you can predict the like in my so if I talk about in my economics, so let's say economics is a knowledge, okay, but in real life, how could you apply? So you have to do some mental models. You have to some predict. So AI is fully based on prediction. So you have to apply a statistic. So if you understand the how that statistic like where it from driven, then you understand okay this differentiation integration provide that mental model. It's like there is a huge real application of uh, like integration and differentiation. Huge. You couldn't imagine. I told you two things: knowledge versus skill. It doesn't matter where you get from. If you get from knowledge from your college, focus on it. If you get the skill from college, focus on it. If you think they are wasting your time, don't focus on it, because I didn't learn anything from my college life and my school life. I learned all the things. I okay, after complete my 12, I complete more than 20 books. Then I got an idea, okay, how Elon Musk or Robert T. Kiyosaki. Then I got an idea, okay, I have to become an entrepreneur. I like I was very good I was very good student. Like I got 92 percentage in my 12 standard. So like I know I study a lot. Like every single day 13 14 hours. So that's how I can I'm able to work 14 hours a day, because for last 10 years I'm doing same things. But the issue is, as I said, I'm from a very lower background, or like I don't have any access or any resources or any connection. That's the what issue, and that make me very like I'm gonna build some solutions so other people can use. Yeah, right now I can apply any company. Okay, I can get a job, but I have to fix the fundamental issue. Okay, so this is my ultimate goal, to fix the fundamental issue, because in India or any developing nation, we have to create an infrastructure first, because there are five layer. Okay, if you okay, give me 5 minutes so I can understand, like so you can understand the mental model. There is a five layer. Okay, so if I give you the Silicon Valley example from USA, so first layer is right now they are building a fully infrastructure. Okay, so for example, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, they are building fully infrastructure for what technology? Okay, for example, database. Okay, so database is very crucial for running any SaaS platform or any cloud-based things, right? Second layer is you are enhancing that particular like first layer. So you are creating an application for third layer. Third layer, like they are creating another application for fourth layer. So I am in the fourth layer, which means the developer or entrepreneur. Okay, so I call myself right now. I mean, sorry. Yeah, fifth layer is the end consumer. Like you are using, let's say, Rapido or maybe AI. So we are consuming. So fifth layer is consumer. So consumer get more output at cheaper price when we increase supply, right? So that's why America consume. Like their lifestyle is very easy, faster, better. Why? Because in America they are just creating solution with technology. Everybody. Why? Because they have infrastructure. So you don't have to create all the things. Yes, why? Because why? No. Okay. No, not okay. Not only America. Okay, the entire nation. copy American infrastructure because we don't have option. Because if you want to build AI infrastructure, you need more than $1 trillion investment. Who could invest? Nobody. Right? Nobody, man. You need because AI is fully capital like capital expensive. Like you have to build a AI chief. Okay. Uh, Data center, pipeline, cloud, and even we don't have that of infrastructure for our normal technology. So how it, that's why now China have their own infrastructure they are spending. But even Europe have yeah DeepSeek, Kimi, and Manus, QN. Yeah, but they are not good at like as American or like Claude or Gemini or yeah, but they have at least. But yeah, no, not only India, like we have to accept we don't have resource. That's why we have to fix our layer one, layer two, layer three. Because in India, we don't have layer one. We have only layer three and layer five, and for like three, four, five, we have these three layers. That's why four and three layer we have only 110 billion-dollar company. Only just so that's why crores. No, 10 lakh billion dollars. Okay, 10 lakh billion dollars. It's a no, no, 10 lakh crores. It could be 10 lakh crores or yeah. I think if you understand, like if Geo, okay, and Tata, their fundamental business is not like AI infrastructure or technology infrastructure. They are just physical business. They are running physical business, so they have a profitable business. So they won't take a risk on AI because you need and you need market. Like let's say you create solution who buy your product, so you will definitely will lose. But America is a global like state, so all the company they are consuming American things, right? So that's why your solution must be sellable. You have to sold, otherwise you will be definitely a loss. Yeah, if you're investing a huge amount of money, because investor focus on ROI. Yeah, so I think if you have understanding of finance, then you can understand these things. Anyways, but yeah, okay, okay. No, I'm not asking you just full form, but you have to understand how that driven. Like, I think yeah, we have to. Again, I said no. Okay, 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 okay. So, Rudrax, let's change our mental model. Okay, if you just follow the success or like let's say somehow in 3 years you couldn't get that type of a result, then you will be depressed, you get anxiety, or maybe like you forget about like you leave your project. Because my friend, as I said, first project we launched, two friends, my childhood friends, and now you give he gave up. Why? Because we couldn't see result. But I never give up because my mental was the same thing. I'm not chasing success, I'm chasing just journey, because journey can give you very like excitement. Like every single day, just you wake up and you say, okay, today I have to improve myself 0.1% every single day. And you have to just believe, okay, I'm just understanding the technology, I'm fixing the solution. So let's say I'm not getting a result, that means I have to fix the solution. I have to figure out the solution. But if you think, okay, I'm just focusing money and output, man, you couldn't get that. Then you will give up. But let's see if your ultimate goal, okay, I'm just figuring out the solution. So you can keep going. So I do this. I have this type of mental model. That's why I'm just keep going. But my all the colleagues, my all my friend zone, they just get settled and yeah. So you need right now you are 17, but if you become 23, 5, 6, or 30, and if you don't get result, then you can understand what are things I'm talking about. And then when you get the mental pressure and societal pressure, or maybe a hormonal issue, mental health issue, then you can understand, man, how pressure it is to run a AI company or any startup. Right now you are at 17, so right now you are good because you don't have any hormonal issue or nothing else. Because at this age I couldn't feel like that, but at this age, man, to be honest, mental health is very important. Like, yeah, so that's why I just manage my. That's why I don't watch any. Last 7 years, I never watched any movie or drama or any social media stuff, because if I watch, we're just creating a emotional fiction. Then that trigger you different things. That trigger you romantic things. So I should have that. I should those have, because just you are training your brain with these things. So that's I'm saying. If you want to become a founder or developer, you have to be surround yourself with your like career. Maybe you are a coder, you are a developer, you are a scientist, whatever you are. You have to consume those, because you are creating your brain algorithm. Because algorithm, you call it's a so people call addiction. I don't call addiction. I call repetition. Because let's say you are addict with watching movie, I'm addict with uh, let's say coding. So here, for my case, people don't call addiction, they call discipline, or yeah, they call discipline. But the same things, you are doing same, like you are repeating, I'm also repeating. This is just I call it's a pattern. So you have to create a pattern. Or like from now on, if you just watch tutorial or motivational content, or maybe a podcast around your no, I'm just saying, like, motivation. I'm not saying you have to watch, like, no, no. Okay, okay. So, okay. Let me give you a context. Okay, as I said, brain works based on pattern. Okay, so if you understand pattern means like we have a reward system. Okay, reward system means, so we have two type of tasks. One is productive. Other is entertainment. So productive tasks needs 90% focus level, which means your cognitive willpower or cognitive friction, and it gives you 10% reward, which means dopamine, adrenaline, or other chemical in your brain. Okay, so productive tasks, for example, coding is very hard. Okay, it's very complex, so it needs 90% your focus level. But if you look at on the uh, entertainment, yeah, entertainment give you 90% dopamine and requires 10% focus level. So if you look at the entire people, they just say I'm addicted to my these things, and they love this work and entertainment work. But few are love the entertainment, productive tasks. So let's say you are doing productive tasks and you are not getting any result. Okay, just understand. Okay, you're not getting result, which means brain works based on dopamine level. Okay, and you create a pattern based on a productive task, and even that task couldn't give you that dopamine level, then your mental health will be lost. So your brain figure out, okay, I need some companion, or maybe some, like, then you watch motivational content, maybe you talk to family, friend. Just format is different. Okay, so I say brain are seeking pleasure. Okay, so like, yeah, I call it a pain avoidance paradigm. So just in different format. So okay, so let me give you this sentence. So this is my favorite sentence, and I always remember myself, because human beings are pleasure seeking machine. Pain avoidance into our DNA. No matter how moral or disciplined we are, at the end of the day, we chase dopamine and we crave pleasure in different format. Because somebody like watching movie, they go to alcohol, drinking alcohol, talk to family. This is just format. Because brain cares give me a relief how I feel inside. Relief means dopamine. So if you understand this entire pipeline and mental model, then you can get a solution. Okay, brain work this way. So you cannot judge anybody just because of format. That is a format, man. Because you like watching movie, I don't like it. I like tutorial. No, no, no. For example, I'm just giving an example because people think, yeah, if you watch, like a movie, you are good, but if you watch adult content or any social media, you are bad. But it's not like that because it is format. Everybody are same from inside. Everybody, every human, right? So that's what I'm saying. Like, for it's different people how they train their brain. Somebody need motivation. Somebody need family company. Somebody need yeah. So if I say, like, when I was at 18 years old, 19 years old, I consume huge motivational content. Then I start creating my content. Right now, I don't need any motivation because I create a pattern in my brain. Right. So yeah, right now I'm obsessed with Elon Musk. Right now, I don't watch Elon Musk anymore because I just create that pattern. I know now Elon Musk very well. So you have to understand where you are, what's your phase, what's your pattern. I hope that makes sense to you. Because right now you are at 17, so like, because I research, as I said, man, I research a lot. Huge means huge. Last 7 years, my entire life I spent researching on human brain, technology, psychology, like that. So I try to understand the human context, why they behave, why they say, why they respond. So you have to understand a lot of context at the same time. Okay, anyways, I think right now you still I'm live, man. Oh my god, man. Same to you. Yes, okay, so I'm just giving my WhatsApp number. Okay, so like this is the WhatsApp number. Like we can connect on WhatsApp. Okay, okay, thank you.